Hey baby, this is your sexy man. That's right. This is your hunka hunka burning love. Come here, baby. Give me your hand. I wanna hold it. I wanna show the world that I love you. I wanna show the world there's no shame. I wanna show the world that I care. I wanna show the world this is forever and ever. You know, maybe we can go to the supermarket tonight, and while we're holding hands, I can buy you a diamond ring. You know they have these beautiful diamond chips right next to the pork and beans. Ooh, heads up, baby. I got a little excited. I don't know what came over me. Anyway, that reminds me, tonight we gonna make love. What is that? Smells good. Like I was saying tonight, baby, a little bit of bingo, you know, 'cause nothing really matters. 'Cause you're my woman and I'm your man. Smells good. You never know how this makes me ill. I'm always sick and I'm taking pills. Oh yeah.
You'll know there's this tiny little pill called ecstasy that makes you feel really relaxed.
I don't know what came over me. I do believe I wanna be. Oh yeah.
Oh yes, it's very therapeutic to wanna be. I wanna be.
I wouldn't have it any other way. I watch TV and I learned this today.
Oh, that TV is very educational and very helpful at times.
And all the things that I've done for you, even got this here Dumbo tattoo.
Oh yes, the elephant with the big ears and he flies around and around and
I
around.
don't know what happened to my brain. I do believe there's a serious trend.
Oh, that reminds me of the stain in my shorts. I smush it, but it still don't come out.
And if I can have it my own way, I love banging my head on your butt bed. Oh yeah.
You know, it really hurts sometimes, but it's awfully stinky and it's worth it.
That's right, baby. I'm back again. You missed me. I know you did. Come on, baby. You wanna have my baby? I wanna have your baby. You know that could be very important to me. You know, just for the record, let's just call this thing love. Hey, let's take the doggy out for a walk, and don't forget the pooper scooper. And don't worry, baby, I can still hold your hand while I do the scooping. You know the pooping. 'Cause you're my woman, and I'm your man. You never know how this makes me feel. I'm always shaking and I'm getting chills. Oh yeah.
You know, I think it's an earthquake very high on the Richter scale.
I never know what came over me. I do believe I'm a wannabe. Oh yeah.
You know, the doctors say it's okay to wanna be a wannabe.
I wouldn't have it any other way. I listen to the radio and this is what I learned today.
Radio is very informing information, especially if you like sports.
And all the things that I've done for you, even got this here's Dumbo tattoo.
Oh yeah, I use this invisible ink and I only passed out 2 times.
I don't know what happened to my brain. I do believe there's a serious strain. Oh yeah.
Oh, you know that stain in my shorts? Well, it smells like my pillow now.
And if I can have it my own way, I love banging my head on your butt there. Oh yeah.
You know, just one time I had 45 stitches in my forehead, you know. They were very stinky tall. But you know, it's worth it. Which reminds me, baby, I love to sleep with you, you know. I need to sleep with you. I can't sleep without a woman, you know. 'Cause I got this biological urge, you know, that little bit of thing, the little bit of boom, you know, and it makes me do some real deep thinking, baby, that when I'm driving the car, we can hold hands. Oh, you know, baby.